Hello gardeners. Today I will tell you which green manure must be planted in the spring, as soon as you have the opportunity to go out into the garden, so that the earth is already dry and does not stick to the shovel. This green manure will enrich your soil with nutrients, make the soil looser and more nutritious for growing subsequent vegetable plants, and green manure generally helps restore soil fertility. Let's talk about mustard. There are several types of yellow and white. There is no difference what to sow, they both perform their function. Now I will show you how to properly prepare the garden bed and tell you about the exact timing of sowing, and when it will need to be dug up. Because it is impossible for the mustard to outgrow. With a rake, we loosen the beds to a depth of 2 inches. This will be enough to sow the mustard, as the root system of mustard is very thin, and penetrates very deeply into the soil to a depth of 2 yards. This is her first plus, that she can get useful elements from the deepest layers of the soil. Naturally, all these nutrients accumulate in the mustard plant, and after mowing it, when it rots, it enters the upper layers of the soil, where they can easily get those vegetable plants that we are going to grow in the place where the mustard was growing. Also, during spring sowing, the soil acquires the desired structure, becomes looser, water and air penetrate into it much more easily. Mustard as green manure effectively fights weeds due to the fact that it occupies a lot of space under the ground with its roots, and weeds have no chance to grow. Mustard contains many essential oils that help repel insects and pests. Therefore, all kinds of codling moths, slugs and wireworms, your garden will no longer be afraid. And in the composition of this culture there are substances that help prevent the disease of plants that will grow in this place after it. In the leaves and stems of mustard alone, about 22% of the organic components necessary for vegetables, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and many others, accumulate, which subsequently, after mowing and digging, will greatly enrich our soil. But if you sow mustard on beds where nothing has grown and the soil is very dense, then of course you will need to loosen the soil first. Now let's get down to planting. Special seeders or devices are not required for this. We just pick up the mustard in the palm of our hand. The mustard seeds are perfectly visible on loose soil. Moreover, if you do this in early spring, then the soil is still wet, it is dark, and the grains themselves are light. We sow it well, that's all. I've got a 1-quart jar, and you see how much is left. But I also have a lot of gardens. Here's another tip for you. The sooner you sow it, the stronger the moist soil will be. And this means that it will be possible to do without watering. Just sprinkle a thin layer of soil with a rake. You can be sure you will get excellent shoots. Mustard grows well even in slightly damp soil. But if you have the opportunity to water at least a little, then you can know for sure that you will receive seedlings on the 3rd day. And somewhere in a month it will be possible to mow the mustard. The main thing is not to let it outgrow, as it will become more rigid and will rot longer in the soil. And when it grows to a height of about 10 inches, then you can not even mow it, but simply dig it up. And you can do this immediately before you plant seedlings. Gradually, the green mass and mustard roots will rot in the soil. The green mass will give the soil its nutrients, and the rotting roots will leave thin tunnels in the soil through which moisture and air will easily pass. So friends, if information from this video was useful to you, then be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.